Bye. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, your daily cryptocurrency blockchain aggregated news show on YouTube. Look, it's going to be drinking, smoking, swearing. So you've been warned, there's going to be drinking, smoking, and swearing on this show. So look, I'm coming here in 3 seconds, okay? So get ready. Here I come in 3, 2, 1. Bye, and welcome everyone. Black, white, gay, straight, Christian, Muslim, Jew. My name is Shomari Clarke. Welcome to Cryptocurrency Blockchain News, the greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Yes, it daggone is, brothers. Look. All right. So we got a great one for you today. Surprising, because actually I didn't think there was going to be much. Well, there isn't much news. There isn't much, but I scraped the bottom of the barrel and I found us something respectable to talk about today. So actually, and I made a mistake. I thought today is Christmas, but yeah, it's Christmas morning at 7:20 in the morning. Yeah, so maybe tomorrow I might not have the show because I might get, a little mangled tonight. I don't know. We'll see if I'm lucid enough to do the show tomorrow, okay? Let's be realistic about it. So look, story number 1, brothers. Nuls hacked for $480K. We're going to talk about that. And then this is what I was going to tell you guys a few weeks ago, and I never did get around to it. But Zilliqa partners with crypto APIs to offer blockchain as a service. So Zilliqa is doing stuff with crypto APIs. We're going to talk about that. And then Bitwise, they're the guys who are applying for the ETF through the SEC. And so remember the SEC said, we're going to revisit that. You're going to fucking revisit that, all right? Yeah, maybe you missed something, homeboy. And so, but they sent a letter to the SEC, and we're going to see what they said to the SEC. Yes, what they say to the fine folks at the SEC. Look, bang. All right. Let's move on, brothers. Let's get this show on the road. Bang. Yeah. Let's do a little refresh. Yes. All right. Oops, where's my papers? This was all my paperwork. All right, let's see what we got going on here. Bitcoin at $7,277. And when I left you yesterday, we were at $7,478. So we went down $201 on the day. All right. And, oh, yeah, the usual. Yes. Okay. Look, top 10 of the day, brothers. Usual suspects, brothers. Top 10, Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Tether, Bitcoin Cash, Litecoin, EOS, Binance Coin, Bitcoin SV, and Tezos. Look, market moves of the day, brothers. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Mostly single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. Single digits up, single digits down. 2. Single digits up. 2 single digits down. All right, let's look who lost money today. You see anything on here you like, you go get it because it is on sale. Buy. Yes. Oh, that crazy chart again up at the top. All right. Top 10 lose of the day. Bitcoin, Eidos, Cunin, Tezos, Stellar, Steam, Augur, Educare, Stratus, Bytem, and Crypterium. Let's see who made money today. Top 10 gainers of the day. Luna, Matic Network, Nash Exchange, Waves, Decentraland, Eunice, Sed, Geo, Leo, Tether, Silverway, Ethereum Classic, and Hedge Trade. All right. That's a good total market cap of the day, brothers. Total market cap of the day. 191.5 billion. And when I left you yesterday, we were at 196.6. So we went down 5.1 billion on the day. And 24-hour volume. 72.4. Holy. Oh, yeah. And when I left you yesterday, we were at 82.7. So we went down 10.3 billion on the day. Which, I mean, in terms of volume, which isn't surprising considering everyone's doing Christmas stuff, probably traveling and just doing others, traveling, cooking, all that. So that's not surprising. All right, look. First story of the day, brothers. Bang! Hackers grabbed nearly $480K from blockchain platform Nuls. All right, let's check it out. Don't really have anything to yap about. It is what it is. So let's read. Blockchain platform Nuls has lost almost 480,000 worth of Nuls tokens due to a hack, according to a security update tweeted on December 22nd. In a tweet, Nuls said it had detected that 2 million tokens had been transferred, of which 548,000 of them, worth roughly 131,000, had entered the trading market and were now untraceable. So those guys got away with that money. Mandatory hard fork upgrade to be released ASAP. In response to the theft, Nuls has decided to hard fork the blockchain at block height 87,800. After the hard fork, the remaining, whatever gazillion tokens that is, Nuls, that has not entered the trading market will be destroyed in a permanent freeze to prevent continued flow into the market. The action should help to prevent losses to community members, the team claims. The hard fork will be released as soon as possible, with the team notifying node owners that an upgrade is mandatory and should be complied with ASAP. They're on it. One second. So, Nuls revealed that hackers had exploited a security vulnerability in the Nuls 2.2 version, which it says has now been fixed. It also notes that all relevant cryptocurrency exchanges have been contacted and are actively cooperating with the Nuls team. Post-hack, Nuls token sees only mild losses. The stolen tokens represent only 2% of the circulating supply of over 73 million. The hack has seemed to have little effect on Nuls price movement. At press time, Nuls has lost 1% on the day as a trading. With offices in southwestern China, Singapore, and teams in the United States, Australia, and South Korea, Nuls is an open-source enterprise-grade blockchain platform that provides customizable modular blockchain infrastructure for a variety of business requirements. The company was ranked 4th in the latest crypto rankings report from China's Center for Information and Industry Development. Bang! All right, so they got hacked. And I don't know, they're going to fork it. They say they fixed it. All right, they said they fixed the, right, they said down here, has now been fixed. And great. So there's nothing to yap about. That's that. So Nuls hodlers, all is well. All right, bang! Zilliqa joins Crypto API's blockchain as a service offering. So this was that story. I think it was about 2 weeks ago. I was like, guys, I got the Zilliqa story. I never did read it because we kept getting news, just fresh news stuff. And so, I had to wait. But look, we got it now. So, again, no yap really to talk about. Let me just have a sip and then we'll get right into it. But yeah, this is the third thing in the past couple months I've seen Zilliqa doing. All right, we read that one story. And then Biniam gave me another story that we read when we did the, the shout-outs part. We didn't really read it, but we just chit-chatted it. And then this is the third one, so Zilliqa's starting to make moves here. Zilliqa's starting to make some moves. So if you're Zilliqa hodler, be encouraged by their behavior of late. All right, look, let's check it out. The grant program aims to support great teams developing tools and instruments using the Zilliqa blockchain. As such, the integration of the Zilliqa blockchain in Crypto API's blockchain APIs will enable companies and programmers to easily develop a large variety of products such as Zilliqa blockchain explorers, Zilliqa wallets, payment service providers that utilize ZILs, and many more tools and apps. So it's like that. It's like the Tron thing with the what's that company? Tron just did the. Anyways, they did the fuck. Oh my, I can't believe I can't remember this. Right, with that one company, and anyways, the bottom line is now you can write apps that use Tron. Well, this is the same sort of thing. They're going to be all these developers are going to be now able to deploy Zilliqa in their software, apps, and whatever they want to build. All right, so Crypto APIs is one of the leading cryptocurrency and blockchain API providers on the market. They offer an unparalleled product composed of 3 APIs: blockchain APIs, crypto market data APIs, and trading APIs. So they offer 3 APIs. All right. Their blockchain APIs allow developers to utilize and build over more than 10 different blockchain protocols through an easy-to-use API. By acting as a bridge between blockchain and developers, Crypto APIs provides an infrastructure layer that significantly simplifies the development of crypto and blockchain related products and apps. Zilliqa is the first public blockchain platform to implement sharding, the division of the network into several smaller component networks capable of processing transactions in parallel. Another key feature of Zilliqa is its scalability. As the throughput scales, the number of nodes scale along almost linearly. All right. Scalability. Look, gotta have it. Crypto APIs has already started working on the integration of the Zilliqa blockchain, which will be ready and available to the public in the coming weeks. So like I said, I had this story for you guys like 2 weeks ago. But then VeChain kept onboarding, and America started coming around, and shit just happened. So but I actually keep the stories because I have stories for you guys, and I'm like, I want to tell these guys this. But if it's not time related, then it doesn't matter. Like, this isn't time related, right? So it doesn't matter if I tell you this now or next month. Zilliqa's with crypto APIs, right? And developers are developing, right? So it's not like, like yesterday, VeChain, VeChain just signed this thing, right? That's time related. You need to know that now to make proper investments, right? Whereas this thing, it's not really time related. You get what I'm saying? I kind of grade the stories. So I have stories that look, I got to tell these motherfuckers today, right? Like that. And then there'll be other ones that I have, but I'd be like, all right. When I need another story, all right, I'll slip one in there, Yeah, it's a little secret, little background information to how I do this. You know what I mean? I got to tell you the good stuff now. These other little things like this one here, I could wait. So look, Crypto API's founder, Nashwan Khatib, commented, "We're looking forward to adding Zilliqa to our blockchain APIs. We believe the integration will be mutually beneficial and strategic for both companies. Our clients will have access to one more blockchain to benefit from, whilst Zilliqa's users will be able to develop tools on their blockchain for a lower cost and a faster speed. It's a win-win scenario for everyone." So bang, this is a true partnership, right? A partnership. What's this? All right, we're not going to It's a whole other story. Exit scam, what? So this is good for Zilliqa, bang. Good for crypto APIs, bang. So if you're a Zilliqa hodler, bang. Zilliqa's been doing some stuff lately. Like I said, in the past 2 months, man, this is like the 3rd story we've read. So, looks like good stuff. All right, and then finally, bang, Bitcoin fungibility helps insulate Bitcoin. So, Bitwise and later to SEC. So you guys know that Bitwise, right? They're applying for an ETF to have it to launch an ETF here in America, a crypto ETF, Bitcoin ETF, right? And so the SEC denied them. Yeah, but 3 weeks later, mysteriously, the SEC says, "Oh, we believe we're going to revisit that application there." Yeah, they got told off in Congress, and all of a sudden they were revisiting applications. Oh, yeah. Good stuff. And so, hold on one second. One second, guys. Let me look at something. All right. And so, hold on. I want to just, All right. All right. And so, yeah. The SEC said we're going to revisit the application, and but Bitwise, and then so, wow, great, you're going to revisit it, and then Bitwise also amended the application by giving them this letter. So this letter we're going to read is Bitwise talking to the SEC about their application. All right. Which was revisited all of a sudden for some reason. Yes. Why don't you take another look? Yes. Look, crypto asset manager Bitwise has written a letter to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission addressing the regulator's concerns of market manipulation, which was cited as one of the reasons the SEC had rejected Bitwise's Bitcoin Exchange Traded Fund, ETF. Earlier in October, the SEC had cited concerns regarding market manipulation and surveillance sharing in the crypto asset market as the two key areas that need to be addressed for the digital currency's approval. Wow, not the currency's approval, but for the ETF's approval. The recent letter that has been sent to the SEC was penned by Hunter Horsley, Chief Executive Officer Hong Kim, Chief Technology. All right, I buy a bunch of fucking executives over there. All right, who cares? All right. The letter stated Bitcoin's inherent fungibility and the market's distributed nature allow for effective arbitrage to take place between different trading venues, which helped insulate Bitcoin from attempts to manipulate individual markets. Well, not Bitcoin attempt to manipulate, but traders and market guys from manipulating the price of Bitcoin. Fuck, these weird. But look, so what is arbitrage? So, arbitrage. So arbitrage is I can buy something over here at one price and sell it over here at a higher price instantly and make that money. It's called arbitrage. And what arbitrage is good for is that it brings the prices of things into equilibrium. So, if you can buy a Bitcoin over here in America for, let's just use magic numbers, okay? I'm just going to make up some numbers, 7,000, okay? But then over there in Korea, it's sold for 7,300. Well, I just keep buying $7,000 Bitcoins and keep selling them over there in Korea and just keep pocketing that 300 all the time, right? Well, what happens is eventually the market narrows, right? And it makes the price equal. So it'll be 7,000, say 150 there. And eventually in South Korea, once these guys keep arbitraging, it'll be 7,150 in South Korea. These arbitragers, there's guys, that's all they do. They're called arbitragers. And they actually help the market in that they bring, a steady price across many platforms and stuff like that, right? And make it harder to manipulate the market. All right. So Bitwise also talked about how a large number of U.S. investors are investing in Bitcoin currently and stressed on the need for a safe and efficient market. The letter also cited the recent study that showed that the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust is currently the fifth largest holding in millennial retirement accounts. So, I'll read this. Ahead of companies like Berkshire Hathaway, Walt Disney, and Microsoft. So, Grayscale, is a, why isn't my brain working? It's an asset manager. Holy. But a crypto asset manager. And it's the fifth largest holdings for millennials right now in the retirement funds, ahead of Berkshire Hathaway, Walt Disney, and Microsoft. In other words, the millennials would rather have the Grayscale Bitcoin Trust in their retirement funds over Microsoft, Berkshire Hathaway, and Walt Disney. You get it? So that's what they're trying to show the SEC is like, look, people want it. Like, people accept it, right? Bitcoin, right? The first Bitcoin proposal was filed by Bitwise with New York Stock Exchange ARCA in January 2019. The firm since then has met with the SEC 8 times altogether over the approval requisition. Bitwise declared that it is committed to provide all investors with the ability to access Bitcoin in a regulated and familiar fund format. Bitwise concluded the letter saying, "We believe such an ETF would add material protections for the millions of U.S. investors who currently use other avenues to access the Bitcoin market. as well as for any future investors who may choose to do so, it concluded. So look, so that's their little letter they wrote to the SEC. The SEC had to revisit. That gave them time to send the SEC a new letter, trying to convince them more to approve this ETF. And so we'll see. Remember, SEC has to answer this application by February, I believe, right? Sometime in February. So obviously I'm going to keep my eyes out open for it, and I will keep you posted, brother. So look, bye, let's get shout outs. Look, Chief B. Look, Pascua Yaki Tribe. Bye, live brother, see you, brother. Bye. Look at him. He's rocking the Hector Trader. Oh, yeah, he's trend trading. He's rocking. Oh, yeah, brothers. Oh, yeah. Look, Bitcoin Kong. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. And Merry Christmas to you. Bye. Merry Christmas to you. Bye. Look, Kong said. Well, look. Well, all right. I looked. Great, Kong. Had him, serum. Hacked him, serum. What are these things? Added you to list blockchainers. What does that mean? Some other guy added me to some list. 2 guys added me to some list before. I don't know what that means. What does that mean, guys? Tell me in the comments, please. Hacked them serum. Well, yes. I hope it's a coveted as list as my coveted cryptocurrency blockchain news nation of champions list. Oh, yeah. Well, if it's that coveted, well, I accept. Addition to the list. All right, guys. Hacked them serum. See you, brother. Bye. All right, must like the show if he's going to add me to a list. Master Barber Mag. Merry Christmas, brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Bye. Yes. Whoa, look at all these followers last night. Oh, yeah. Shit got hardcore when I started talking about that V-chain. Belton Road. It's too much. Right there, that's the biggest, baddest onboarding you're ever going to see in your fucking life. Right there. Look, Absolute. Master. Bang. Merry Christmas. Origin. Bang. Merry Christmas. X. Nihilio. Oh, what is he saying? Hiller loves travel. Animal lover. Tech investor in finance. Blockchain enthusiast since 2017. All right, X Nihilio. Bang. Love you, brother. Merry Christmas, brother. Yes. Look, Ronnie Black. Merry Christmas, brother. Bang. See you, brother. Yes. Look. And here's the usual suspects, though. Oh, yeah. All the miscreants. The crypto blockchain miscreants. Yes, the crafty kids in the corner. Brent C. Love you, lady. See you, lady. Merry Christmas. Bang. DP to soul, brother. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Merry Christmas. Happy Kwanzaa. Bye. Rob Love you, brother. See you, brother. Merry Christmas. Bye. Ben love you, brother. See you, brother. Merry Christmas. Bye. Karen and the Thomas family. Love you guys. See you guys. Merry Christmas. Bang. Robbie Hardaway. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Merry Christmas. Bang. Radstar. Yes. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Merry Christmas. Bang. Yeah, drop it, you son of a bitch. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Look. Bye. Yes. Merry Christmas, fuckstick. Love you, Ron Kaz. You son of a bitch. Bye. Triple T ready. Love you, brother. See you, brother. Merry Christmas. Bye. Oh, yes. Look. That's how you do it. Yeah, like an assembly line. Just run down the assembly line. Run down that assembly line. That's everybody. Oh, there's Stein. Good. There she is. All right. Look, Butler. What's he talking about? Hold on. Let me get a cigarette. Actually, there's not really anything to talk about. All right. Well, let me just do it anyway. Look, Butler. What are you talking about? Dedicated to the latest news and insights around Bitcoin, e-commerce, tech, and the blockchain industry. Nice, Bitcoin Butler. See you, brother. Merry Christmas. Whoa, where are you running, brother? Bang. Yeah, I'm just trying to give you a bang, man. You got afraid of the bang. You know what I mean? Got afraid right there. He wasn't used to that abrasive behavior. Look, BitTube is a video and social media hub platform, ad-free and always monetized. Created by BitTube. Oh, yeah. I think the only reason these guys are coming here, I think one of you guys told me to go to BitTube, and then they came over here and liked what you said. So BitTube, Well, if YouTube fucks me, well, look, might be showing up. Bye. Yes. And finally, Stallion. Yes. Coming to see you in Q1, girl. Look. Love you, girl. See you, girl. Bye. Merry Christmas. Bang. Tell mom and grandma and everyone I said bye. And I gave him a little bit of a Van Breeden. Yes. Give him a Van Breeden for me. Bang, sweetie. Yes. And look, Van Breeden. I know you're out there. And I know you're watching. Van Breeden. Merry Christmas, Van Breeden. Yes. You too, Dino. Yes, Dino's one of those Netherlands crew guys. And then one last guy. I like this guy's Arj. I always liked his little green guy there. Arj, love you, brother. See you, brother. Merry Christmas. Bye. All right, let's get out of here. Bye. Yes. All right, guys. So we had a great show for you today. What I could scrape together on a Christmas Eve. Well, it's actually technically Christmas now. It's 7:47 on December 25th. I had to scrape this motherfucker together. Like I said, I had to pull some stories out of the archives, out of the Zilliqa one, to talk to you about. So look. All right, so Nuls hacked for 480K. Now, what makes this hack different than the VeChain hack is, well, the VeChain hack was, that was employee error. Nothing happened to the VeChain. No one hacked VeChain, right? It was some employee that fucked up and put that wallet on some lame system or something, and then whatever, those guys got to it. So that's a totally different thing. But Nuls, fortunately, you were hacked. But Nuls said that they fixed the problem. So look, and they said they're going to hard fork. So look, Nuls hodlers, stand strong. Stand strong. Look, and then Zilliqa, crypto APIs, bringing blockchain as a service. Cool, man. Like I said, man, since I've been doing this channel, we never talked about Zilliqa once until the past 2 months. Bang, 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 3. So I don't know what that's an indication of, but I mean, just as a guy sitting out here, that tells me, they're in, now they're deploying. You know what I mean? Like, they have their mainnet, they got everything, all the bells and whistles already, and now onboardings. You know what I'm saying? We'll see. I don't even know what they do. I don't own any, but you know me, brothers. I love anything that's making money, generating revenue. Like I said, man, we need all these things to generate revenue. So whenever I hear crypto people, hold on, let me get a sip. I'm going to tell you a little pet peeve of mine, actually, about this crypto space. When I hear people shitting on other projects, right? Yeah, we're going to kill that project. We're going to kill that one. I'm always like, you fucking moron. You want it so that when the institutional investors arrive, and start taking a look around this space, start doing a little window shopping, well, they realize it's not just a bunch of weirdos with green hair and nose rings, with some weird little crypto crap, but actually that these things do things. And, you want them all doing stuff, right? You want them all doing stuff, realistically, right? And so that's why I don't like it when, guys are pooping on one, and then shitting on one thing and shitting on another. Like, you want them all to work. I mean, the bottom line is whatever, crypto you like or you're a fan of, if you're one of those kind of people. I'm a straight investor, so I'm not a fan of anything. I'm just here to make the money, but I know you guys, a lot of you are sort of fans of, all this kind of shit like that. You want it all to work so that when these guys get here, they're confident in putting their money in, right? And that's why you want things like VeChain to show. Yeah, you want when Wall Street gets here, they just see Fortune 500s. Those are the guys they deal with, Fortune 500 guys. And so when they see Fortune 500 guys using crypto, well, blockchain technology, let's stop using the word crypto, but actually using these distributed ledger technology providers, blockchain services providers, all it's real, right? And now it's real. Like, wow, right? Deloitte's using it. PricewaterhouseCoopers, Volkswagen, Audi, what? Right? Department of Homeland Security, what? So they come here and start And they get into it, now they're going to start doing their homework. I mean, their analysts are already doing homework, but you know what I mean? It's a real thing. It's like when the tech, I told you, I'm 45 years old, and I was here for the tech bubble. And yeah, people didn't understand it at first and all that. Yeah, but once they did, bang, bang, bang. Yeah, we had what's called the .com bubble. .com bubble. Every single day in the news, all it was Microsoft reaches a new high, Cisco reaches a new high, Gateway Computer reaches a new high, Dell Computers reaches a new high. It was daily. But if you're my age, you remember. If you're a young kid, that's what you can expect. That's what I hope. That's what I hope happens here, and that's what I expect will happen in this space, is that, eventually there's going to be a frenzy. A .com bubble is what I hope for, and that's the tsunami that I'm hoping for. When I tell you guys, yeah, there's a tsunami coming, I hope it's .com bubble-like. I mean, there is a tsunami coming. That's not going to stop, but just I hope it happens in a big, grandiose way. The .com bubble was from 1992 till the year 2000. Oh yeah, you couldn't go wrong. You couldn't go wrong. You threw your money at anything that said .com in it, you made money. And so I don't think that's going to happen here. It's not anything you throw money at, but any working product, it will make you money, I believe. But then when you but just like the .com bubble, all those projects that were fugazi, that were bullshit, got weeded out. And that's why, the famous one is pets.com. Google pets.com. Yeah. That's the most famous .com fail of them all, right? And that's what's going to happen here. There's going to be a big old bubble. Then there's going to be a lot of failures. And that's why you got to get on board with shit that ain't failing. It's, you know what I mean? Like VeChain, that ain't failing. That's it. That's that. Right? Anyway, stuff like that, all right? Anyway, all right, I'm yapping. Look, guys. So look, I hope you enjoy your Christmas. Hope you enjoy your Hanukkah. Hope you enjoy your Kwanzaa. And if you're an atheistic bastard, well, look, I hope you enjoy your turkey and meat and stuff too. Look. So subscribe below, so let's chill it and kill it. Let's get you back to your wives and lives. Subscribe below, press the bell. You get automatic notifications when I do the show. The greatest show on earth, the greatest show in the multiverse. Look, my name is Shomari Clarke. I love talking money, love talking crypto. This is the favorite. Look, time of my day. So look, thanks you for having me in your home, especially on a Christmas. And I hope you guys got all the presents and everything you wanted. And, I gave them out. I'm sure you're adults. You don't really get presents like that anymore and stuff like that. But look, have a great Christmas. Eat the turkey. Bang. Eat the stuffing. Bang. Get the cranberry sauce. Yes. Bang. Throw on the gravy all over it. All over the whole plate. And have a great one, guys. Love you guys. I'm not sure if I'll be here tomorrow, but I'm going to give it a shot if we have news to talk about. Like I said, I'm always on duty. So look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. Well, yeah, and if we have shit to talk about tomorrow, well, we'll be talking about it. If not, I probably won't see you tomorrow, but the next day, we will definitely be on track. So look, my name's Shomari Clarke. I'm always on duty. Bang! Eat that turkey. Press that daggone blockchain symbol right down there and press that bell and you get automatic notifications. Look, see you tomorrow. Hopefully. Bye. Shomari Clarke, always on duty. Yes. Merry Christmas. Happy Kwanzaa. Happy Hanukkah. Over and out.